Hi guys, today let's discuss this copy trading using DEX. And again, this video is a global discussion. If you want to update the current closed captions, you can just click the closed captions or the subtitle and then go to settings and select your preferred language guys. No? So, andito tayo sa may dashboard ng copy trading under leaderboard and makikita natin. So, kanina pala is si Pain, no? As per checking dito, yung 1 month niya is nasa 241.21k as of recording this video. Ito yung pinaka-total PNL niya. We just backtested as well yung kanyang mga previous trades dito, executions. Ayan. So, check natin yan maya-maya dahil ito ay nakasort by DEB, no? So, isa siya dito sa mga top under DEB categories, guys, no? And then, 7-day PNL and 7-day profit rate. So, we can also check yung kanyang 7-day PNL dito. So, sa mga nagtatanong dito guys, no, I just want to share my experience as well. And again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference. And this doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you got some insights dito. And again guys, hindi po ako financial advisor. I'm just sharing my experience lang dito, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong. No? Let's go back dito. So, copy trading lang. Yung official link naman neto ng application or platform na ginagamit natin ay lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video nito, yung pinaka-official global link, no? So you can explore, you can check. So ngayon, if you want to explore the copy trading, select mo na itong copy trading, tapos you can check leaderboard, no? And then dito sa all, ayan, makikita natin yung categories ng all, no? So check ko lang dito guys yung copy trades ko. Dahil ito pa rin, still, ito pa rin yung pinaka-copy trades ko. Maybe I'll cross-validate muna pala itong si Pain. So, meron siyang badge na influencer. And then, DEB, no? So, dalawa yung pinaka-badge niya. So, si Scented is tatlo. Meron siya ditong sniper na badge. So, that can be considered like factors din yan. If ever na may mga ganyang badge, usually sila yung mga nauna. Like, for example, itong sniper, no? Tapos dev. Influencer, if ever na merong badge na ganyan, ay potentially yung mga trader dito will follow kung ano man yung trade niya, no? So, after that, let's check muna itong si Pay. Na-open ko na. Ito yung pinaka-data niya for the past 3 months. Ayan, makikita natin. 1 month as well. Again, guys, dito sa DEX Copy Trading ay risky. Kasi ito is more of like memes nung tinitrade, yung mga pinipili. Like for example, itong si Pain, no? Pain talaga kasi ayan, yung 1 day niya na PNL, nasa magkano yung loss niya, 15.13k. And then, nagkaroon siya dito ng bounce back naman after a few days, no? Pero ayan, makikita nyo, meron siyang negative within 1 month. Pero yung pinaka-realized PNL niya within 1 month is kahit papano, ayan, positive, no? So, yun yung isa sa mga risk dito, guys, sa copy trading, especially sa DEX, no? Highly speculative kasi ito and mataas yung pinaka-risk. So, it's better to, like, you can, or personally, like, just manual check or see if it's this trader is active. So, balikan natin copy trading. Ayan. And then, makikita naman natin dito guys, sa gilid, yung pinaka last active, no? Yan, last activity sa taas. Makikita naman natin dito. Merong 32 seconds, so nag-place siya dito ng executions. And sa pag-copy guys, dami nang tatanong neto, siguro kasi gusto rin nila explore itong copy trading under DEX. So, Solana. Ayan, naka-Solana ang aking pinaka-option. May other option pa like BNB, Chain, Xlayer, Ethereum, and Base, no? So, ngayon, yung meta is Base. Ang dami mga nagtatanong dito. So, for this one, wala pang masyadong pinaka-filter, no? Like, comparing to Solana. Kasi, ayan, Solana meron ng pinaka-filter sa taas, no? Pero yung Base, kailangan mo dito like Ethereum na base yung network. Ayan. So for now, let's go back lang kay Solana muna. And then, sa example lang naman ng sa copy trading, Like for example, check natin itong si Scented. So, explore lang natin itong copy. Tapos, copy trade name. Ayan. Tapos, fixed ratio. Meron pala akong 0.35. Like, you can adjust yung percentage dito. So, pag fixed amount naman, like, it depends kung ilang sol yung pinaka ideal on your end, no? Kasi this one is very risky. I've been mentioning this market sa DEX, no? Yes, we can see opportunity, pero there's risk dito. So, like for example, 0.02 and then confirm. Ayun, so copy trade created successfully. We can view details. Na-discuss ko na rin guys yung mga slippage, yung low liquidity, ay isa yan sa factors, no, kung bakit ang Solana mo will decrease. Kasi if ever na merong executions yung lead trader na yon, and then hindi enough yung Solana mo, it will be trigger execution, it will be less yung fees. Sometimes kung mas mataas yung slippage na nakasetup, yung Solana mo babawasan, and then potentially pwede kang ma-loss during that execution pa lang, no? So may mga ganong scenario guys, please keep in mind dito. So nandito na siya sa may open task. Yung mga past task natin makikita naman natin dito. We have some PNL na 28.458 cents, no? So yun guys, hopefully nagkaroon kayo dito ng insights. We just discuss yung potential risk and reward para mas magkaroon kayo ng informed decisions. And kung meron pa kayong mga questions, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Dami mga questions tayo na sasagutin dyan, and gagawin ulit natin ng content guys. So yun lang for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.